Hey y'all! Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Patrice and I'm glad that you're here. For my returning subscribers, hey y'all, welcome back. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and it's an unboxing video from my people at Heat Transfer Warehouse. So they sent me this package. I signed up for their challenge, and so this is kind of like a mystery box, but it really isn't a mystery box because they did let us know in advance like what they're sending us. So I am going to open this up with y'all, and then I am going to try to figure out what I'm gonna do with this stuff. So let's get started with unboxing this package. All right, y'all, so let's see what all we have. And first up, we have, this is so pretty, we have this Caesar holographic Fireflit Pearl vinyl. We also, oh, this neon. We have this Wallacut Puff Neon Orange. And so this is so pretty. I don't even know if you guys can really even see the color. I'll put those over here. We have this Easy Weed Orange. We have some Caesar White Glitter HTV. And all of this is HTV. We also have this Caesar Twinkle Orange. We have this Easy Weed Matte Moss Green. We have this Caesar Tawny, and this is super sparkly. There's some more in here. Uh-oh. We also have this Easy Weed Reflective Silver. Now, I'm not going to be able to use all of this stuff for this challenge, so I will be making so many vinyl shirts so that you guys can see how this looks. And we also have Easy Weed Wicked Purple. We have some Easy Weed Glow. So this must be the glow in the dark HTV. And we also have some Deco Film Soft Metallics Silver. I think we have one more. And we have the Caesar Sparkle Sunset Orange. And this is pretty too. Very glittery. Alright guys, so we have this tote bag. We have a black tote bag. And so this challenge, we have to make something unique, and we have to use everything, well, not everything, but anything that we create has to be from these items. And we have to use at least 3 of these items to get what we, to be a part of the challenge or to fulfill the requirements of the challenge. So we have this tote bag, and then we have, it looks like we have 2 of the same things right there. And then we have this long sleeve black shirt. And it's a District brand. And I believe this should be the same because it looks identical. And it is. All right. So I am going to put these aside, and I need to work on what it is that I want to make. But guys, these vinyls are super nice. This one, I love this color, and I don't think that you guys can see like just how vibrant and bright this is. All right, so I'm gonna give myself a little bit just to think of what I want to do for this challenge. All right, y'all, so now we are inside of Cricut Design Space, and I just want to show you the design that I will be using today. And we are going to be doing a lot of layering. All right, as you all see, there are a few layers over here, and I just want to see how this is going to come out with all of the different vinyl that we have. I tried to use as many vinyls as I could with this design. It's possible that I may add text underneath the main design, but I'm not sure yet. However, I did want to show you all this. I kind of did this circle inside of Adobe Illustrator, and I got this house from off of designbundles.net. All right, so I'm about to print this out, and we are going to head over to the heat press. Before we head to the heat press, we need to cut out our vinyl, and today I will be using my Cricut Maker 3 to get that accomplished. All of this vinyl came from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and you want to check out their website if you order any of this vinyl so that you can find out all of the tools needed to cut the vinyl, all of the different settings required for each of these vinyls. They have it listed in detail on their website under the item description. We made it to the heat press, and I decided to go with the black shirt, and now I'm just prepping it. I'm lint rolling it to make sure there are no particles on the shirt that would prevent the vinyl from sticking and laying flat onto the shirt. Next, I am going to grab a Teflon sheet and place on top of the shirt so that I can pre-press the shirt to get out any moisture that may be inside of the shirt. And the heat press is actually set for 320 degrees. That is the heat that I will be using today, and I will be pressing for 10 to 20 seconds for each of these layers of vinyl. We have about 7 layers that we will be applying to the shirt, and honestly, y'all, this isn't my best weeding. The circle came apart when it was cut. I used the light cardstock setting, which is the suggested setting on the Cricut. However, y'all, it cut straight through. So that caused me a little bit of an issue. But I am just eyeballing it to make sure that it's centered. That's good. And this is the holographic HTV. We're gonna press this. We're only going to press it for about 10 seconds to tack it down, since we are going to be layering several other types of HTV. All right, let's see if that took. All right, guys, so I let it cool off for a little bit, and we are going to peel. I like it. Some of this HTV, y'all, when I was weeding, this gave me the biggest headache weeding, but it's okay. It's gonna get covered up by other HTV anyway, so no worries. But look how cool that reflection is on top of the heat press. All right, guys, now we're going to get ready to start layering the inside of the cutout, and we are starting with this glow in the dark vinyl. Good. So this is the first layer. So this is our second layer of vinyl, but the first layer for the house. Alright, let's see. I gotta remember to take off that barrier sheet. And it's coming off just fine. Alright, and then this is going to be the next layer, the green. And this is just going to be placed on top. And I am just really trying to make sure that it is lined up as it should be. The main part of the glow in the dark that is supposed to be seen is really the windows. That's more so what we are really focusing on, would be the windows. And I think I pressed it too long, and so the glow in the dark is a little shrunk. Alright, so I am pressing each of these layers for 10 seconds. 320 degrees for 10 seconds. So now we are going to our fourth layer. And that's going to be the purple. So the purple and the green are aligning up just good. Just a little bit of that glow. I want a little bit of the glow in the dark to still be seen a little. Alright. And now we are going to remove this one off. So that was what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're moving into 5. And y'all, I think that the holographic HTV, well, I mean, it can take sublimation. I was about to say it can't take all of this heat, but maybe so. I don't know. We'll see. So now I am just layering a few more pieces of this design, and you do want to make sure you don't over press because your vinyl will shrink. You don't want that to happen. Also, with certain vinyls, you need to make sure that they are good for layering. I checked all of the vinyls that I used. I wanted to use the reflective vinyl, however, it is not recommended for layering. And this metallic vinyl, very little layering, not too much, so that's why I use this pretty much at the top of the design, at least close to the top of the design. All right, so the reflective one, you definitely want to make sure, well, this isn't the reflective one, this is the metallic. You definitely want to make sure that you cold peel. All right, and so now we are going to layer our final piece. And so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of this amazing HTV that Heat Transfer Warehouse sent to their affiliates for this challenge. And I am just trying to make sure that this lines up good. All right, let's see. And y'all, this was a lot of vinyl. Ooh la la, that looks so nice. Yes. All right, so I'm going to show you guys all of this vinyl goodness. I kind of wanted it to look kind of silhouette-y, and the glow in the dark pieces will glow in the dark. That's kind of what I wanted. I wanted those windows to kind of appear as though they had lights. But this is what we have, y'all. All right, y'all. So we are all done with the Heat Transfer Warehouse Challenge, and we pretty much got HTV wasted. So we did a 7-layer shirt, and y'all, it came out beautifully. This holographic vinyl is beautiful. It's the Firelit holographic vinyl, and it is amazing. I turned out the light so that you guys could see it because this catches the light. But look at the details, y'all. I know from far away you can't really see those details, but y'all, look at those details. And this is a 7-layer shirt, and y'all, it's not heavy. It's not heavy at all. Most of that HTV was super thin. It was very easy to weed. I think the bulkiest of the HTV might be that glitter, but the glitter HTV, honestly, y'all, it doesn't have that glitter texture. It is shiny and smooth. But look, y'all, look at these colors. Look at that. So I love it. And I do want to say thank you to Heat Transfer Warehouse for having this challenge, and also for sending us these amazing products to use. I do want to see if I can show you guys how this will look with the lights off. So give me 1 second. Maybe it will be spooky. All right, guys. So you can't see me, but you can kind of see the shirt. And those windows do glow. Look at those windows, y'all. All right, y'all. So that is it for today's video. And a quick thank you to Heat Transfer Warehouse for being an amazing supporter of the crafting industry, not just by selling crafts, but by bringing crafters together for fun activities like this. And I actually love this shirt, not just because I made it, but I actually do love this shirt. I think it's cute. I don't typically celebrate Halloween, but this shirt is pretty cool. So that is going to be it for today, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are not a subscriber. In addition, head over to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and like us over there as well. But that's it for today, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time.